Have you ever been in the middle of an intense gaming session, only to have your laptop lag and slow you down, ruining your flow and destroying your mood? I definitely have, and that's exactly why I am so stoked about the Alienware M18 Gaming Laptop. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. If you're an avid gamer like me, you know that a good gaming laptop is more than just a pretty face. You need power, performance, and a display that can keep up with your lightning-fast reflexes. That's exactly what the Alienware M18 delivers. I mean, let's face it, there's nothing worse than being in the middle of a heated gaming session, only to have your laptop start stuttering and freezing up on you. It's frustrating, it's annoying, and it's a total mood killer. But with the Alienware M18, those days are behind you. First off, let's talk about the display. This thing is a beast, an 18-inch QHD plus 165Hz 3ms display that will blow your mind with its crisp visuals and razor-sharp text. I mean, I'm not exaggerating when I say I've never seen a laptop display this good. It's as if I'm looking at a massive gaming monitor on the go. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is amazing, and the refresh rate is so smooth that you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. If you're a gamer who likes to have their settings maxed out, this display will be your dream come true. Imagine playing your favorite games with all the graphics settings cranked up to the max, and still getting a silky smooth 165Hz refresh rate. It's a game changer, trust me. Now, let's move on to the performance. The Alienware M18 comes equipped with a robust Intel Core i7-14700HX processor and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which makes light work of even the most demanding games and tasks. I've been running everything from 4K videos to resource-intensive games like Assassin's Creed and Cyberpunk 2077, and this thing handles it all like a champ. Whether you're a serious gamer or just a casual player, you'll love the smooth performance you get from this laptop. I've also been using this laptop for some content creation, and I've been blown away by how quickly it can handle tasks like video editing and 3D modeling. The processor is a beast, and the RAM is more than enough to handle even the most demanding tasks. But it's not just about raw power. The Alienware M18 is also designed with comfort and ergonomics in mind. The keyboard is spacious and responsive, with macro keys that are perfect for gamers who like to customize their experience. The touchpad is also super smooth, and the speakers are decent enough to get you pumped up for those epic gaming sessions. I've been using this laptop for long gaming sessions, and I've been impressed by how comfortable it is to use. The keyboard is backlit, which is a nice touch, and the macro keys are fully customizable. You can set up your own custom keybinds, and even assign different macros to different games. Now, let's talk about storage. With a 1TB SSD, you'll have plenty of room for all your games, movies, and files. And with the speedy SSD, you'll be able to load up your favorite titles in no time. I've been using this thing for a few weeks now, and I'm still blown away by how fast it boots up and runs my games. I mean, we're talking seconds here, not minutes. It's amazing how much of a difference a good SSD can make. And with 1TB of storage, you'll have plenty of room to store all your favorite games, movies, and files. You can store dozens of games, hundreds of movies, and thousands of files, and still have plenty of room to spare. If you want to take your gaming to the next level, the Alienware M18 also comes with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 8GB GDDR6 graphics card. This thing is a beast of a graphics card that will handle even the most demanding games at high settings. I've been playing games like Call of Duty and The Witcher at max settings, and the graphics are simply stunning. The RTX 4070 is a powerful graphics card that will handle even the most demanding games with ease. You'll be able to play games at 4K resolutions, with all the graphics settings maxed out, and still get a smooth frame rate. It's amazing. So, what are the downsides of this beast of a laptop? Well, for one thing, it's definitely not the cheapest option out there. But trust me, you get what you pay for. This laptop is an investment worth making if you're serious about your gaming. The build quality is top-notch, the performance is amazing, and the display is simply stunning. Furthermore, the laptop's aluminum unibody design can be a bit heavier than some other options, but it's not too heavy to carry around. I mean, it's a big laptop, but it's still portable enough to take with you on the go. And the battery life is decent, too. I've been getting around 5 to 6 hours of battery life, which is pretty good for a gaming laptop. All in all, the Alienware M18 Gaming Laptop is a top-notch gaming laptop that checks all the right boxes. It's got power, performance, and a display that will leave you speechless. If you're in the market for a new gaming laptop, I highly recommend checking this one out. With its robust processor, ample RAM, and powerful graphics card, this laptop is a beast that will handle even the most demanding games and tasks with ease. And don't forget to link is in the description below.